Okay, this is the exciting part. This is where we're building your website, where you'll be able to send your traffic. They'll be able to opt in. Some of them will be able to buy. The people that buy will be able to make money, and you'll be making money, and it's a win-win situation. Everybody's going to be happy, and this is not going to take very long. What you'll see below this video are some links like this, and you can either download them individually or you can download them in a zip file. And what I recommend you do is the zip file, because for some reason I've found that if you download them individually, sometimes when you import them they don't work. Why? I don't know, but download them as a zip file and then open the zip file. That seems to be okay. So what you do is you just right click and you save the target as, and you save them somewhere that you want, and I'm saving them on my desktop in a file that says 530, and there you can see the zip file downloaded. Okay, I could click save and it'd just say this file already exists, you want to replace it, because I've been testing this. So I've got the files there, so that's where they are now. So what we do with them, having got them, is we go to our website, and your website will look something similar to this. This is a different website of mine. As you can see, this is one that's called Something Big Is Happening Soon, and this is Funnel Kit Go, and we go to the view pages, and we've got some pages in here that are for this website. If you've just uploaded this and you've not done anything with it, yours will be totally blank. But what you want to do then is click import. But before we import, we need to open the folder. So we need to find our folder, and what we do, let's suppose those weren't there, extract here, and it'll pop them in here. And then, having done that, we can go to our import, and we can call it the squeeze page, and we browse for where we had them, and that's the squeeze page there, and we open it and we import it. And we click on there and it'll say importing, and then it's there. And then if we click on view, lo and behold, there it is. You've got that page on your website now. Now what I want to tell you is that page has my autoresponder code in it. What you need to do, let's close that, what you need to do is edit. We go to edit here and opt-in. That's what we need to change, opt-in. You can of course edit any part of it that you want, you can make any changes you want, but here you would remove this code. You could select all and get rid of it, you could delete, and then you would paste in the HTML code, form code from your own autoresponder. Whether you're using the sort one, get response, whichever autoresponder you're using, it doesn't matter, as long as you get the raw HTML code and you paste it in here. And that's it. You would then save it. You would say OK, save and close, and that would then have the information from your autoresponder in it, not mine. And the same will apply to all the pages that you go through. You'll be able to edit, let me just show you. You can edit the content, you can edit the background if you want a different background picture. You can edit any part of it you want very, very easily. If you wanted to change that, you might want to make that, how to make 500 in under 30 days. Save. And that's it, it's changed. You might want to change this picture. You might want to change any of these bullet points. You can do anything you want. And the same with all the other pages. The pages that have links on them, you can change the links. Let's suppose we had a link in here. Let's suppose this was a link, free access. All you do is you just type in your link there in place of mine, and that's it. You can have it to open in a new window or whatever. It's as easy as that. You can change anything that you want very, very easily, very quickly, and that is then on your website. And there it is, and that you can see is on a different website. Let me just move that up so that you can see it. There you can see that's on now. It's happening soon.com /SQ, the squeeze that I put it in as SQ, and it's there, and it really is as easy as that. And you do that for all your pages. One thing that you need to do, one thing you need to make sure of, is that when you set your autoresponder, you want it to redirect to the page that is your welcome page. So when somebody opts in, their confirmation page, in any autoresponder they always have the ability to have your person go to a specific page once they opt in, and that's available in all autoresponders. And you need to get that to go to your, let's just import the welcome page, call it welcome, browse, and that's number 2 here. We've called it thank you there. Import, importing, and boom, it's there. View that, and there it is, exactly the same. And this is the URL that you'll put in for the redirect once they've opted in. And what you need to do is you want to put your link in here. You can change this. You could send them to something else. You could give them a different free bonus. You can put a video in. You can do anything that you like with it. It's there, but you can use it exactly as is as well. Very, very simple, but you want to change this link because that link is going to my affiliate link for that program. So you join that program if you like. It's free to join, and then you can put your affiliate link in there in place of mine, and that's it. It really is as simple as that. So you'll build your site 1, 2, 3, boom, like that. Now also on the downloads we have the email list, the email follow-up sequence. There's only 3 in there, but you can put those in. You will need to change the signature on it. You don't want it to come from me, you want it to come from you. And they are, let me show you, they are here. You might need to change this. This is the way that which autoresponder they use, GetResponse. This is the way GetResponse puts in first name. You can take that out completely if you want. This is a subject line that I've used, welcome to the 530 days system. You'll need to change this a bit from its Graham frame here. You want to put in your name and a little bit about you. You want to build rapport. You want to talk to people in your own language and let them understand that you know that they are struggling, because they are, and you know you've got the answer to their struggles. You solve their problems, they'll be happy with you. Okay, so that's it, and that's email number 1, and then email number 2, make 500 in 30 days or less. And okay, it's me here again, so you can just change this around, put it in your own words, and of course put your own link in. It'll be to your website, it won't be to my website. And the final one is you can add more in if you want. This is my final one. I'll probably put one in later on in about a week's time, showing the money I've made in the first week. I think I made 400 in my first day before I've even done any proper promotion. So here we go. But wow, and this is showing them how much I made in day 1. And as I say, I'll probably do another showing them how much I made in a week's time, and maybe another showing them what I've done in a month's time. And that way you're keeping at them, you're keeping saying, you know, look, if I can do this, all I do is I send traffic the way I've showed you how to do it, and these are the results I'm getting. And you can do the same sort of thing. You can add more and more in as you start getting your results. And I'm going to show you how you go about getting your traffic in a moment. And this will also be there for you. This is a solo ad swipe. It's very short, to the point. There's 3 different subject lines. You can make your own up. and you'll just need to put your name in there rather than mine. But it's very short and sweet, to the point. The important thing about it is it's got the same wording that is on the squeeze page. So when they click on the link and they get to the squeeze page, they're not wondering what it's about. It's the same. And then they opt in and they get your welcome page, and that's the same. And they get your emails, and that's the same. It's all following through in a natural process. And it's saying, okay, do this, do this, do this, do this, and you'll make money. And you will. It really is as simple as that. All you've got to do is put it in place. And I'm going to show you how to find a good solo ad provider in the next video, so that you can get some buyers in and start making money within a few days. Okay? That's it for this video.